The Sam Show rechargeable magnetic kitchen timer, and this is in that neon green LCD lights. My name is Matthew Paul. I help Amazon customers like you make quick, informed buying decisions on products I have firsthand experience with. Today I got my hands on the neon green LCD display, white casing, Sam Show rechargeable kitchen timer. That's magnetic. So this thing actually, I've tried it out. I stuck it to my fridge, my microwave, my stove, and my coffee maker. It just smacks right onto it. So you've got the magnetic aspect. I keep one of these on my stove. You could keep another one on your kitchen, on your refrigerator. But if you don't have like metal kitchen appliances, you can also pop up the tripod in the back and it'll just chill out right there. It's got 3 settings here. 3 brightnesses, 2, 3. Sorry, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. There you go. So you got 3 different settings for the brightness. That's the brightest. Now I'll show you the volume. So you literally just set it on the top. You've got hours, minutes, seconds, and then you've got clear. So you can set the timer. Sorry, we'll just let it run right now. Wait, there we go. All right, so it works. Then you can clear it out and you can set a new one. You can set it as high as you want. You can set it by hours. So we can cook Thanksgiving dinner. We can cook something that only takes 30 seconds. I like this because it's bigger than the microwave or like the stove display. And it's also easier to use. Like you don't have to click more buttons. Literally, if you want to set it up, all you do is come up and just start clicking in how much time you want to set on there and start it. It's super easy to use. You could easily see it from across the room, or if you're in an open area, you could easily see it from the living room when you're looking into your kitchen. So I think it's a very practical product because you can just stick it to the fridge or the stove or the microwave, or you can actually pull the tripod out, put it on the counter. Super useful. I actually like neon green and blues and stuff like that, so this is a cool color for me. But if this is what you're looking for, I just showed you how it works. You can stop looking.